Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel where I get a little everything Jamaican. I'm Michelle and with me as usual is my husband Marcel who is behind the camera. So today we are in Troy and we are here with Kasian. Some of you would have, known her because we would have done an interview with her already where she was seeking some help for her baby. So we'll talk to you a little bit more after this, just so you can know why it is that we are here again. All right, so in the meantime, please remember to like, to share, and to subscribe to the channel so once we post a new video, you will be notified. All right, hi Casey and good morning.
Good morning.
Okay, and before we go any further, just to let you know, would have done this video already and for some reason, when we were ready to edit, there was pretty much nothing. It's just the beginning, the middle was gone, and the end. So we are here again. So we're gonna get into it, We're down but not out. All right, so Kasian, the last time we did an interview with you,
Yeah.
you really were asking for some help with your baby.
Yeah.
But she has a condition
Yeah.
called club foot.
Yeah.
But unfortunately, she did not get any help at all with that, right? So you would have approached us after that, just expressing your wishes, to build a shop so you
Yeah.
could do some vending and you
Yeah.
ask us for some help with some of the items that you wanted to sell,
Yeah.
right? All right. Okay, so but since we would have done that interview, just kind of give us an idea of how things has been going since then.
Well, in not when well, but now lean I wouldn't work about in a work
Yes.
anyway overall money. Or me barrel money me through or me buy look the look Ellen
Oh,
from all
right.
uh, me I belly look but yeah, but I want window, I want door, and I want on and me man idui yeah, me ill the away and him on the way that.
Okay, okay.
Yeah,
All right. So you pretty much, would have borrowed some money. I got that from what you just said. And
yeah.
you were able to buy some items, but not so much. Right.
No.
So you needed some top up.
Yeah.
All right, and in addition to that, you're saying the shop is not yet complete because it's
No.
still selling on that table that we are looking at
Yeah.
on the outside in the
Yeah.
early mornings and in the afternoons,
Yeah.
waiting for the shop to be completed because it needs a door, window, and shelves.
Yeah,
All right.
and me would abag imen angry about that would do really
Okay.
well.
Okay, a bag of cement to concrete the bottom would be
Yeah,
good.
yeah,
Okay, okay. All right, so with that said, because what we would have done, we have a number of persons who would have donated to the channel, for which we are most grateful. And we'll talk about, we'll mention their names in a little while and we'll say thank you, of course. But what they would have done, they would have donated and, through consultation with them, because they did donate and say, help someone, you know,
yeah,
someone who can really benefit from the whatever it is. So we chose you based on the fact that you expressed that need that you have. And so we'd have gone out, Marcel and myself, and would have bought some items, some of what you would have suggested and some that we used our own initiative to get.
yeah,
All right, so we will look at them like just now, just to show you what it is that we would have bought. Of course, like I said before, would have done the video, but I don't know what happened. And then we were ready to edit. There was nothing. So we're here, just doing a redo. So it's just really because she would have knowledge of it already. But it's just for you to see again, what we would have brought. All right, so let's take a walk across the street. And of course, we had to walk across the street to do the video because the sun is so hot this morning. All right. All right, so here they are. Would have gotten her a case of water. And then, of course, before I do anything else, because when we spoke, you did say that you never wanted much juice or any at all. The only
no,
thing you wanted was the water because you
yeah,
said that you did not have any glue and
yeah,
you don't have a refrigerator to cool the
right,
juices.
yeah,
Right. But anyhow, we used our initiative and we got you a few juices just so you can, have something to start with.
yeah,
All right, so we'd have bought the books, face rag. Um, we have peanuts here. sweets. More sweets. Gums. Sweets again. And then we have a little stationery, not a lot. Some pencils, sharpeners. And then we have some snacks. Hi, how are you? All right. Some more snacks. Right. Over here. And then I'm not going to take out the juices because it's quite, you know, a few. All right. So what we did was instead of to purchase cases, we just, you know, get six of every little thing, you know. Right. And then the ticket and more pencils. Okay. So we can pack those in a little while. So, you know, we're hoping that what we're presenting to you today, it may not be a lot, but it's a start, and we hope that, you know, you will maximize on it. And there are a number of persons who would have made this possible, and let me just send a quick shout out to them. I'm gonna have to go on the other side. I can hardly see the phone on this side. All right, hold on. Okay. All right, so just want to say thank you to Miss Brooks, who is in the Kingston area, and also to these other persons. They are based overseas. They are Dylan Wright, Desroy Wedderburn, Gloria Anderson, Idris Anderson, and Monica Brathwaite. We want to say thanks to you immensely, because without you, none of this would have been possible. And we're wishing and hoping and praying that your store baskets may never be empty. All right, we thank you for your support of the channel. All right?
Yeah, I'm really thankful and grateful and all who donate. Thank you, me buy it ME. Thank you a lot. But if anybody would like to help me with a standing tree, either a standing tree or a cooler, I will really appreciate it.
All right. Well said, Casey. And so, you know, with that said, we're just wishing her the best on her business venture. And we pray that, you know, whatever it is that you do, put God in the center. And we are wishing that your business will grow from strength to strength. You know, we know the struggle, but, you know, just hang in there and just wishing for you the very best. All right, guys. So, so we're praying for you that, you know, things will work out and everything will be a success.
Yeah, and a L looking L with a E at land head where the wood at the pour out, and I don't know if anybody out there would hit me, but I'm in rent, and right now in me alone. Right now with the rent, but I would really L with E at land the wood at the pour out, and I would really appreciate that.
Okay. All right, well said. So if there's anyone out there watching, and if it is that you're in a position and you heard what it is that she says that some of her needs are. So if in any way you're able to reach out to her, you know, and extend a hand of kindness, please reach out to us at 876-512-4055, all right? And with that said, this is where we end the video for today. Thank you so much for making it a Likkle Everyting Jamaican. Blessed love and love you lots. Bye-bye.